If you still think AI is just about chatbots, it's time for an upgrade. AI agents are quietly transforming how tech pros work right now. From booking flights to writing code, new AI powered agents are tackling real business tasks completely on their own. In healthcare, they analyze patient data and schedule appointments. In finance, they automate reports and flag risks. The global AI agent market is set to explode $216 billion by 2035. Cutting-edge tools like OpenAI, Operator, DeepMind, agentic systems, and Manus are already leading this revolution. Imagine digital colleagues who don't just answer questions but actually get things done. That's the future: faster workflows, fewer bottlenecks, and more time for innovation. Want to stay ahead in the AI agent revolution? Subscribe to Technova for the latest trends and tools shaping the future of work. Asaka Mantai San.